Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about file management in our computing system. So let's dive in. File management is a process of organizing and controlling storing data in a computer system, ensuring efficient storage, retrieval and manipulation of files. It involves the creation, naming, storing, updating, deleting and archiving of files and directories, providing structured approach to handling electronic information. The primary goal of file management are to enhance data accessibility, optimize storage space, maintain data integrity, and streamline data sharing and collaboration among users. This provides through various file management techniques such as organizations, indexing, and permissions, which help the user to locate and access their data quickly and securely. File management system typically handle both user-generated files, that is document, images, video, etc., and system file essentials for operating system and application to function correctly. User interact with the file through a file manager and command line interface, where they can perform the action like creating, copying, moving, renaming, and deleting files and directories. File management involves various key components that work together to organize, store, and manipulate data efficiently. These components include: number one, file system. The file system is the core component responsible for managing the store and retrieval of files on storage devices, such as hard disks, solid-state drives, or network storage. It provides the structure of organization files into directories or folders and maintain the metadata about each file, such as its name, size, location, and permission. Second, file manager. The file manager is a software application or utility that provides user-friendly interface for users to interact with files and directories. It allows the user to perform tasks like creating, copying, moving, renaming, and deleting files, as well as navigating through the directory hierarchy. Third, data structure. The directory structures is a hierarchical organization of directories and subdirectories that help the user basically category and store their files. The root directory is a top level directory from which all directories them. An organization directory structure moves the file management and makes it easier to locate specific files. Fourth, file naming convention. File naming convention are the rule guidelines that dedicates how files should be named and ensure consistency and easy of identifications. Descriptive and standardized files names and helps the user quickly and organize the content and purpose of each file. Fifth, file attribute and metadata. File attributes and metadata provide additional information about files such as creation, date, modification, date, file types, owners, and access permissions. This metadata helps the file management system keep the tracks of files or facilitate the searching and sorting operations. Sixth, file operation. File operation include the action of performs on files and directories such as read, write, create, copy, move, rename, and delete. These operations are essential for the user to manipulate the files effectively. Seventh, file access control. File access control that only organized user can access modify specific files. It involves setting permissions for individuals, user or group, protecting and sensitive of information and maintaining data security. 8. File backup and recovery. File backup is a process of creating duplicates of files to safeguard against data loss due to hardware failure, accidental deletions, or other disasters. File recovery allows the users to restore a file from backup when needed. 9th, compression and archiving. File compression reduces the size of files saved to storage space and facilitate faster data transfer. Archiving involves the building and multiple of files and single archive files, making it easier and share and manage the two related files. 10th, file sharing and collaboration. File management systems often support features of sharing files with the other and collaborating of documents, enabling a multiple user to work the same files simultaneously. These are the key components work together from a comprehensive file management system. File management plays a crucial role from both the hardware and software environment, facilitating efficient organization, storage, and manipulation of data. Here are some specific uses of file management for hardware and software. Uses of file management for hardware. First, file management system on hardware devices ensures the proper organization of data into the files directly, making it easier for user to locate and access their files. Second, disk space optimization. File management helps to optimize the disk space efficiently and allocating and managing storage resources. It reduces the defragmentation, compress files, and remove unnecessary files, thereby maximizing available space. Third, file backup and recoveries. File management enables the creation of backups of important data, safeguarding against data loss due to hardware failures, user error, or malware. It also facilitates the recovery of files and backups when needed. Fourth, disk fragmentation. Defragmentation is a file management process that reorganizes data on a hard disk to improve read and write speeds. It helps the consolidate fragmented files, enhancing overall system performance. Fifth, device synchronization. File management allows the users to synchronize the files between hardware devices such as computer and external storage devices, ensuring consistency across the different platforms. Uses of file management of software. First, program executions. File management is a crucial role for a software application to access and execute program files. It ensures that necessary files are available in the correct location for programs to run correctly. Second, application configuration and setting. Software applications often used for file management to store and configuration of files and settings, enabling the users to customize the behavior of the software to their preferences. Third, data persistence. File management allows the software application to save and retrieve data from files, enabling persistent storage and user-generated content application data and settings. Fourth, library management. Software libraries are modeled for organizing using the file management principles to ensure an easy integration and use of different applications. Fifth, software updates. File management is a virtual software updates and patches. It helps the efficient replacing old files with the new versions to keep application up to date and secure. Sixth, temporary file management. Many software applications uses the temporary files during their operations. File management ensures the creation, proper use, and deletion of temporary files to avoid clutter and optimize performance. Seventh, file input-output operations. File enables the software application to read data from files and processing and write data back file, facilitating the data exchange with the users and other applications. 8. File compression and archiving. Software applications often employ file management techniques to compress files for storage or transmission, as well as achieving multiple files into a single package for easier distribution and backups. Conclusion. In a conclusion, file management is a fundamental aspect of computing that play a crucial role both hardware and software environments. It encompasses various key component techniques that contribute to efficient organization, storage, retrieval, and manipulation of data. For hardware, file management ensures the data storage optimization by organizing files, directories, and managing disk space effectively. It facilitates the file backups, recoveries, and safeguard against data losses, and allows for device synchronizations, enabling data consistency across platforms. Moreover, file management aids in disk fragmentation, improving system performance through a consideration for fragmented files. In software environments, file management is essential for program executions, enabling applications to access run necessary program files correctly. It supports data persistence, allowing software to save and retrieve data from files, and assist in managing applications, configuration, and settings. Additionally, file management is instrumental in handling software updates, patches, and temporary file ensuring smooth application functioning and optimal performance. In both hardware and software context, file management contributes data security and accessibility and collaborations. It allows for a proper file access control, permitting only authorized users to interact with those specific files. Moreover, file compression has achieving techniques aids and conserving the storage space and facilitating the file sharing and distributions. Overall, file management serves as a fundamental and pillars of computing, streamline data handling and processing, and enhancing the system performance and maintaining data integrity. By effectively organizing and managing file management optimize the computing experiences and enabling the user to work their data effectively and securely and both hardware and software environment. Thank you for watching today's video on a file management. We hope you have found the information valuable and it keeps you to improve the file and data management. If you enjoyed this video, give it like to the consider and subscribing to our channel for more productivity tips. Thank you.